Hey guys, beautiful day in March, flowers are blooming, sun's out, nice weather. Anyway, giving you a few updates on my car. First off, did add a PS2. Of course I'm not going to play it while driving, but just something to add. Got a few games for it. It's nice because they sell like used games for like $2 now. Anyway, so I did that. I also changed out the Mercedes style LEDs that I had on the front. I put in these LED bars instead. I like the look of them a little bit better. I think they look nice. And finally, the biggest project, I finally finished up building the sub box for my new 15-inch sub. So this is my new 15-inch SPL sub. Box is 2.4 cubic feet roughly, tuned to 36 hertz. I love it. It sounds amazing. It hits really hard. So I'll show you guys a few things with it. First, I'm just gonna play a simple 50 to 20 sweep. Like I said, it's tuned to about 36, so you can really hear it hit about halfway through this. I can feel it in my body, in my voice, everything. Everything's just changing. It's so nice. Yeah, I mean that thing hits so well. And let's see, what else do I have for you? So the box took me a while to build. I mean, a while to build. I basically, I spent a lot of time making sure that I did all the right dimensions. And in the end, it sounds insane. So here we go. Here's another song for you. For all those that may want to know, this is Boombox by let's see here. I should probably stop this video. Probably pissing off my neighbors. Anyway, peace guys.